What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Sora account. So as you can see here guys, I'm on Sora AI, and in order to upgrade my account it is super easy. All you have to do really is just simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on my plan, and you can see that I'm on the free plan. And if you want to upgrade your account, just simply go ahead and click on manage plan, and from here it's going to take you really over to your chatgpt plans, right? So all you really need guys is to upgrade your chatgpt account to the chatgpt plus or the chatgpt pro, and your Sora account is upgraded as well. So it is as simple as that. So if you didn't know that Sora is part of ChatGPT, so once you go ahead and upgrade your ChatGPT account, this is the same account that you will be upgrading to give you the plan on Sora as well. And if you don't know how to access Sora, it's basically within OpenAI. Once you're in OpenAI, you will see at the bottom here where it says Sora. You click on it and it's going to take you right over to the Sora platform here, where you can start using this AI. It is powerful. It's dedicated for videos and pictures guys, so you can use it. So if you want to upgrade the account, you can simply go ahead and just upgrade your ChatGPT or your OpenAI account, and that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.